So we're in Silver End today, fitting a whole house full of shutters. This particular customer wanted a very particular design where the shutters are fitted to the front on a Z frame, so it finishes really neatly, but all the shutter panels fold back and they all have centre rods to give it a traditional plantation style shutter look. The windows are being replaced, so it also means that this style that she's gone for and picked will match the new windows that will be going in the future as well.
So we do all window coverings, we do loads of shutters and loads of blinds. Done it for a long time, passionate about it, care about it, and a lot of the interior design stuff as well. Love doing it, so yeah, love improving houses.
The reason to have a hardwood plantation style shutter is for lots of options. It's the only window covering that can control privacy and light. So you can keep the bottom half closed, the top half open, so you've got loads of natural light coming in, but you've got all that privacy. They'll keep a room cooler in summer and warmer in winter. It's not common for shutters to go in before windows, and we generally wouldn't recommend it because the design can change. But this particular customer, they know the windows they're having, they've got them all ready, they showed us the plans for it. So we know that the shutters that we've put in still match the windows perfectly, if not better, for the new windows.